The node ID configuration will as well happen under the manufacturer segment, so it can be found actually right under the bitrate setting. I will now read the existing setting, which tells you node ID 1. But now I will try to change it to, let's say, 2, node ID 2. So I press the right button after typing in node ID 2. Right, successful, so I can go back to communication segment. Save all parameters again by pasting in the save command right to the sensor. The sensor now has the node ID 2. So this means in the tool I need to change the channel to node ID 2. And we can go and read the node ID now, which then tells me node ID 2. So the sensor runs 250 kilobits with a node ID 2 now for the application we just adjusted it to.